Good afternoon, my name is Freddy and my presentation is about the archaeological zone of Tulum, Quintana Roo. Okay, I start talking about Tulum. It was a walled city of the Mayan culture located in the state of Quintana Roo, in the south of Mexico, on the coast of the Caribbean Sea. It's currently a great tourist attraction of the Riviera Maya, and next to it is the modern town of the same name, Tulum. Here we can find parks, markets, archaeological sites, and a beautiful beach. Um, okay. Now, I'd like to talk about the meaning of the name of the city. The city received in ancient times the Mayan name of Sama. Sama in Mayan language means sunrise, and current Tulum in Mayan language means wolf, which seems to have seen to refer to the city when it was already in ruins. Okay, what to do in Tulum? First of all, Tulum has cenotes, lagoons, natural areas that you can visit for a low cost. Also, if you visit in a traveler's package, it is sure to include all the attractions. Secondly, you can also have bike riders, wider activities and adventures. You can take a walk on the beach by bike, tame the sea on a jet ski, or simply enjoy the scenery, the paradise, with beautiful turquoise waters around a beautiful beach. Okay. Also, you can visit the archaeological buildings. For example, as as you can see, this is the castle, which complete with the lighthouse function. The Maya navigators to arrive in Tulum were driven by open sea parallel to the coral reef. When they can see the castle, as it indicated the time to take the channel that divided the reef. On the other hand, and that take a look that take a look at this is the temple of the god of the winds. It is so called because it has been related to the Mayan god Vulcan, the god of the wind. Or maybe you want to visit the temple of the frescoes. To summarize, why visit Tulum? Simple. It's the most emblematic site of the coast of Quintana Roo, with a privileged location, with a lot of nature and history, and has excellent conservation of its buildings and mural paintings. In addition, have easily accessible. It will not take you long to get there. Finally, don't forget to wear comfortable clothing, use sunscreen, and wear a cap or a hat and sunglasses. And you should drink water, plenty of water to be well hydrated. That it's all. And in your next vacation, don't forget to visit Tulum. Thank you.